Fast Forward is a program that was developed for students with reading, language, and learning problems. The goal of the program is to help students develop and strengthen the cognitive abilities that will help with reading and overall learning. The program itself has 3 different products. They are Fast Forward Language, Fast Forward to Reading, and Fast Forward Literacy. The language program aims to build memory, attention, processing, and sequencing. The reading program aims to build reading skills through exercises focused on sound-letter associations, phonological awareness, word recognition, vocabulary, and comprehension. The literacy program aims to build auditory comprehension, language structures, concentration, as well as several other domains. All products are computer-based, which utilize games. Fast Forward can be used for children with language and literacy deficits as well as auditory processing disorders. In fact, many of the studies that I found in research articles had subjects with auditory processing disorders or a language impairment. Only one study was included on children who had autism. While there have been many positive success stories about this intervention, other research articles say more research is needed to fully endorse this product and all the areas it claims to improve. I do not support the use of Fast Forward as an intervention for an individual with autism. My stance is based on the research I have conducted, and my 5 reasons are as follows. Reason number 1, there is no observable effects on reading fluency, which is opposite of what the products claim to do. In a study done by the Scientific Learning Corporation in 2008 and reported by the What Works Clearinghouse in an intervention report, researchers found a positive effect of the Fast Forward reading intervention compared to a different reading intervention program. However, the difference was not statistically significant, and there was only one study included in the report on the Fast Forward reading product. Based on this report, there is not enough evidence to support the claim that Fast Forward improves reading. Reason number 2, this intervention is not any better than competing interventions. In an article published by Stephen Camarata, he comments on a research study conducted with 216 children diagnosed with a language impairment. In the study, they were split up into 4 different groups, each group using different language interventions, with Fast Forward being one of them. Results showed that Fast Forward was not better than the other competing intervention styles, and although improvements were seen with auditory processing, the study does not prove that gains were made in the area of language. Reason number 3, it's expensive. The cost for a single license for the Fast Forward language program is $999, while the cost for a Fast Forward reading license is $554. You will need a license for each program if you wish to use it with children. Becoming a licensed for Fast Forward is much more expensive than other intervention styles, such as social stories or video modeling, which don't require a license. Reason number 4, the program may not be appropriate for all ages and diagnoses. In an article published by Ronald Gillum, he states that the best results were found in children aged 4 to 14 with an information processing disorder, not autism. In his clinic, he recommended that Fast Forward be used in individuals with specific language impairment and other processing disorders, not autism. He includes information he got from the conference he attended on the effects of Fast Forward intervention on individuals with autism. The data shows that it helped, but the test subjects were either diagnosed with pervasive developmental disorder not otherwise specified, or were higher functioning on the autism spectrum. The data shows that this product may not be fit for individuals with autism, and that those who do use Fast Forward are higher functioning students. Reason number 5. Researchers in the UK discovered startling findings in their meta-analysis of previous studies done about Fast Forward. The goal of the meta-analysis was to see if the program impacted a child's single-word reading level, passage reading comprehension, receptive and expressive language. Researchers found that Fast Forward had no effects on any of these areas, meaning that the program was not effective for these areas. In conclusion, the ForWord products do show that it improves children's processing abilities and phonological awareness. Historically, the products have been used as an intervention for those with a language processing disorder, but not autism. For this reason and the reasons I explained earlier, I do not support this intervention for an individual with autism.